Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the BotAGI EA, and according to the marketplace information, this is an MT5 Expert Advisor developed by Frank Martin. In this video, I'll walk through the MQL5 Marketplace page, look at the features and settings that are provided, and then discuss the historical testing information and overall approach described by the developer. Starting here on the marketplace page, we can see that BotAGI is currently listed as version 4.4 and is available as a free download. The developer describes it as a simplified version of BotGPT that is designed for beginners with a strong emphasis on automation and ease of use. One thing that stands out immediately is the simplicity. According to the description, there is very little configuration required. The EA is delivered ready to use, and the primary parameter available to the user is risk percentage, which determines the position sizing for trades. As I continue through the page, the developer states that BotAGI is optimized specifically for EURUSD and should be used on the M15 time frame. All right. The recommended minimum deposit is $200 with a minimum leverage of 1:100. The marketplace page also recommends using an ECN or raw spread account and suggests running the EA on a VPS for uninterrupted operation. Looking at the trading approach described by the developer, BotAGI is presented as an intraday system that generally executes between 5 and 15 trades per month. The description also notes that the EA does not use grid strategies or martingale techniques, and that every trade is protected with a stop loss. Another interesting detail provided is that the system operates using what the developer describes as groups of 2 trades. The first position is referred to as trade A, while a second position, trade B, is only opened if the first trade does not reach its target. The developer also notes that these trades can remain open for multiple days if necessary. From a usability standpoint, the setup process appears straightforward. The marketplace instructions indicate that no additional set files are required, and users simply attach the EA to a EURUSD M15 chart using the default settings. Now let's just move into the backtesting and historical analysis section. The developer mentions that the EA has been backtested over several years, although specific modeling, quality, or testing methodology is not provided in the information available here. As always, when reviewing historical testing data, it's important to focus on how the system behaved over the tested period rather than assuming future results will be similar. From what I can see here, initial deposit is $10,000 and the total net profit was over 81%, 8,178.66 to be precise. The total trades taken were 124, and the short trades were 67 with a 92.54% win rate. Long trades were 57 with 96.49% win rate. This shows, a back test period of about 8 months, because this is 1st January 2024 to 13th August 2024. All right. And this is another backtesting result from March 2023 to April 2024, showing over 250% net profit. Anyways, let's just head over to our strategy tester and see how the BotAGI performed over the past 5 months. We're testing the BotAGI EA on EURUSD on the M15 time frame over the past 5 months, and the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and of course the every tick modeling. All right, so looking at the historical chart activity and the information that we have already gotten access to on the MQL5 Marketplace, the strategy appears to focus on controlled position management, predefined stop loss protection, and relatively low trading frequency. Since the developer specifies that trade B is only introduced if trade A does not achieve its target, we can observe that trade management plays a key role, a central role in how positions are handled over time. All right, let's quickly look at the backtest results that we have here. From an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative $17,753.73. Total trades taken were 85, short trades were 54 with 81.48% win rate, long trades were 31 with 87.1% win rate. The largest profit was 7,205.64, largest loss 8,147.16. And we can also see that the risk to reward ratio is not good enough. Okay, the average profit is 1,230.51, average loss 7,508.59. This shows an average risk to reward ratio that is very poor. Okay, because the difference between the average profit and average loss is wide. So the average risk to reward ratio is really poor, but the win rate is quite good. So despite the high win rate, the risk to reward ratio would have had a significant impact to this negative net profit that we have here. So I'm still going to recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Additional testing can help reveal how performance varies during different volatility environments and market cycles. As always, historical backtest results should be viewed as historical analysis rather than a prediction of future performance. Actual outcomes can vary depending on risk settings, account size, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization decisions. Overall, BotAGI EA is positioned as a beginner-friendly MT5 trading robot focused on EURUSD M15 with simple setup requirements, automated risk-based position sizing, and a structured trade management approach. Before considering live deployment, I would recommend testing the EA thoroughly on a demo account and evaluating its performance under your own trading conditions. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications as well, so that you won't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.